Well, it's one of my favorite trips of the year. I'm heading down the hunt with my great friend Jeremiah Johnson, and he has got a bunch of longbeards on the cell cams and been sending me pitch, torturing me. Been texting him back like, man, I'm freaking pumped. I can't wait. Let's get it on, man. I'm ready. I got my Elite bow, my Element arrows, Kratos. I'm ready to go, man. I am just absolutely fired up. It's my first turkey hunt of the year, and I don't have very many this year, so I'm going to try to make the ones that I got count, and I'm really looking forward. I've been on the lake chasing crappies. Now it's time to switch gears for the weekend, get some turkey hunting in, and then back to chasing crappies again next week, because it's one of my favorite times of the year, man. It's the spawn and it's turkey season. Man, it just doesn't get much better than that. It's breathing fresh life back into the earth. God is. Got leaves popping up on the trees, and man, it's just a feel-good time of the year, and I can't wait to get in the woods and see if me and old Jeremiah can get it done once again. Stick with us. Thanks for following along with everything here at Sick for the Hunt. We'll see you in the blind.
Well, guys, here we are. I'm back down here with Jeremiah Johnson in Tennessee, chasing these volunteer gobblers, and we're looking for a volunteer this morning. So he's got us set up right here in basically the same spot we've hunted the last 2 years together. This is the third year we've hunted together. Last year, heck, we was down here in April in Tennessee and it was snowing. So today we have perfect weather. This year's going to be different. I think we're going to get it done this morning. He's been doing a lot of scouting with the Reveal, Tacticam Reveal trail cell cams, and I'm telling you what, man, a lot of big birds on camera, and he's done his homework and to put me on a bird, and I really appreciate it. So we're just going to sit back, relax, enjoy this fine morning that God's blessed us with this morning, and see if we can sling a Kratos through a big old Tennessee longbeard. guys, what we did was, as you've seen, we moved. So we had another Barronett OX-5 in the truck. Jeremiah ran back and got that. Carried everything down here. What are we, about 300 or 400 yards from where we was this morning?
Yeah, about 400 yards.
We're about 400 yards where we was this morning, and we're back tucked in the woods. What we're expecting is all these gobblers want to be in the shade. As the heat rises throughout the day, they want to be in the shade, and we actually got a Tacticam reveal on the tree right here, and Jeremiah's been getting them strutting in the middle of the day right down this little logging road right here. So that's why we're back here. No action this morning, but the Tacticam reveal says this is the place to be in the afternoon. So it's 9:30 right now. We're already moved, and we're set up, and we're set in for the day. So hopefully it happens here. I think from all the pictures on the reveal, it's going to happen.
Yeah.
Son, that is a freaking giant. Alright guys, me and Jeremiah's in here. We're right in the heart of them right now. They're roosted all around us. We're going to try to call one in. We put the bows away, brought the shotgun. It is Sunday of opening weekend here in Tennessee. Right there he is. That's a big old gobbler too. He's close. He's within 100 yards. So we're going to get quiet, see if we can call him in. And we brought the equalizer today. We ain't messing around. We'll see if we can get it done.
Up under that tree to get under that lean-to, and he should be right up to the right or left. Let's go out and go right. Coming this way, you see it. That's good western, boys. He was chilling right there, wasn't he? Damn.
That's hard jump shooting them with a scope.
Yeah, iron sights would have been the ticket. Well, we're getting western out here. It's all part of it. Was he done on to us once we stepped out? Was he already moving?
Yeah.
He was hanging out right there, wasn't he?
All right, guys, we're back up here in the front, what we call the front. Pretty confident up here. And this is just a nice travel corridor. We got a big green field that they like to strut in. They like to strut right through here. You got a big section of woods over here, a big section of woods behind us. It's just a natural travel corridor that these longbeards like to come and check and see if there's any hens out here picking for bugs and stuff. So we're just gonna sit here and call every little bit and see if we can strike one up, or if not, at least get one passing through. So it is probably our last stand here, so we're gonna sit tight and get her done this afternoon.
What I'm talking about.
Finally,
brother.
son.
Woo!
What the heck?
Son of a bug.
Look at the end of the shell. Look at the end of the shell, ladies and gentlemen.
One thing after the other.
I'm exhausted.
We got him, brother.
Finally.
2 days in the making.
Let me tell you something. I know it's only been 2 days, but we have worked our tails off for that bird. We've had, if it could go wrong, it went wrong.
No.
Yeah, I mean, it ain't going to come across on video, I don't think. No. I don't think we're going to be able to tell the whole story. Here's what happened just now. Let me gain my composure. Luckily, Jeremiah says there's a Jake that just stepped in behind. I have my gun laying here like this, ladies and gentlemen. I have my gun like this. Jeremiah said a Jake's coming behind us. There might be something else. And I just went ahead and done, went ahead and done this and got ready. And I had my mask up. Luckily, I was ready. Man, I'm shaking, son.
Me too, brother. That's what it's all about.
and I looked, and I just kind of looked up, and I said, Longbeard right here, man, Longbeard right here. And I got my gun up and everything, and I was dead on him, and click. Shell didn't go off. I mean, I don't even know I threw it, but it's around here, so I showed y'all that it hit the primer.
Yeah.
The firing pin hit the primer. It struck. I was able to eject the shell on this Mossberg 930. I was able to eject the shell, drop it, and let the other one slam in.
and get back up on that. Now he knew something was up.
Yeah, he was getting out of
Yeah, he was getting out of here, so I had to get the beat on him quick.
here. Yeah. I yelped, got to get that head up quick.
Jeremiah, he wasn't coming like from this way. He was coming from the field.
He come out of the field or either come from that way, because you know there's a hill
Well,
there.
he was walking straight.
Right. Now you said here, and I looked up and he was in the middle of the
Yeah.
opening. And where'd I tell you was going to shoot him at?
Jeremiah said, you're going to shoot a gobbler that comes right through that opening right there, and by golly, that's what happened. Hey, y'all want to know? Hey, show them right here, Jeremiah, right here. Got, ladies, hey, Tacticam reveal with the solar panel running all the time. Jeremiah, that's why Jeremiah was able to say, you're going to shoot one right through that gap. That's why that camera's pointing at that gap.
That's right.
See what we got. Wait till you see the hooks on this guy.
Yeah, we got one that's got some killers. Maybe that's him.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a good one, boy. Look at that big old paintbrush.
That's all I seen flopping was brush.
Oh, good heavy bird too, man. Dandy, son. We got her done in the volunteer state. We were looking for a volunteer in Tennessee, and we found one, son.
That's right.
I am jacked up.
Oh, man.
Man, is he awesome or what? That's good, good bird, good spurs. What, inch and a quarter probably? Probably inch and a quarter. Yeah. Is that what you'd say, inch and a quarter?
Let me see. Yeah, every bit of it.
Yeah,
That may be a touch longer.
yeah.
Yeah, they're
Every
good.
bit of an inch and a quarter.
Yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, me and Jeremiah, this is our third year hunting together. This is our second gobbler. Last year we was down here it was snowing in April
Winter
in
storm.
Tennessee, winter storm,
Right.
freezing our tails off. We froze today too.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, boys. I was cold all day today.
Yeah, that wind picked up, and that wind chill brought it in the 40s this
Man,
morning.
what a pretty bird. Look at that, son.
Big Eastern.
Big old Eastern gobbler. Hey, can't thank you enough, man. I told Jeremiah that today I ended blind. I think he got a little fired up. He got all tore up. I was showing him a bunch of trail cam pics of some Ohio bucks and told him, I said, come up and shoot one of these big Ohio bucks. So I think Jeremiah's gonna make the trip up to Ohio this November during the rut and hunt some whitetails with me, and he invites me down here to turkey hunt with him. I love it, man. I absolutely love it. Hey guys, do me a favor. Jeremiah he's on Sick for the Hunt with us, but he also has his own YouTube channel. It's called The Lone Bow Hunter. Will you please do us a favor and go like and subscribe, hit the notification button on The Lone Bow Hunter. He does a lot of cool stuff, with trapping. As a matter of fact, he's convinced me I'm going to go back and watch a lot of his trapping videos because I need to learn how to trap and start to take care of my turkey population on my place. The coyotes, the coons, I need to take care of that at my place. So, hey, you guys, make sure you like and subscribe to The Lone Bow Hunter. And hey, thank y'all for watching another episode of Sick for the Hunt. Make sure you guys support all the partners that support us. They're the ones that make all this possible, and we couldn't do it without them. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. You're right, spot on, bub. 21.8.
I know him turkeys.
Yeah, you said 22. That was right on.